Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Advocate Rioba. Before we begin the video, I would wish to encourage everyone to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and if you feel the information is important, you can share the video. This helps the YouTube channel to grow. In today's video, we're going to discuss about testate succession and intestate succession. Particularly for the video, we are going to concentrate on testate succession. Now, what are these difficult words? Testate succession is where a person who has died wrote a will on how his properties and assets will be distributed to the family members upon his death. In intestate succession is where the person who has died never left a will. Now, when we concentrate with wills, I know there's so much misconception that I cannot write a will because I think I'll be foreshadowing my death. I will be talking about death, which is a taboo. But wills are very important because they help the family to distribute the property as fast as possible and with very less squabbles. Now, number one, we're going to define a will. What is a will? A will is a written legal document that describes how a dead man's property or assets will be distributed among the family members. Now that we've understood what a will is, we're going to go to number two. Who can write a will? The person who can write a will, I'll simplifying it by saying it must be somebody over the 18 years. That is an adult. Number two, a person of sound mind. After we have understood what a will is and who can write a will, we're going to go to the third element, which is called elements of a valid will. So a valid will, for it to be valid, it has to be, number one, from the definition, it has to be written. Number two, it has to be witnessed. Number three, it has to have signatures. This will actually make the will to be valid. After we have learned what are the elements of a will, we are going to discuss if you have written a will and you're not comfortable with it, what happens? So we're going to deal with what we call revocation of a will. Revocation of a will is where you've written a will, but you don't want the will to be actually the one that you've written. So what do? You can write a new will. This will replace the older will. Number two, you can make alterations on the old will. So the new will have alterations that you've made from the old will. And number three, you can destroy the old will. This is through you can burn the will, you can tear the will, or you can shred the will. So after knowing about revocations of will, we are going to discuss, now that you have written a will, you're comfortable with it. Where do you store this will? You can store this will with your trusted advocate, that is in a law firm. You can place the will in a safety deposit box at a bank. Or number three, you can be able to store the will at the High Court registry where the wills are stored. Now we have known where to store a will. The next question most people ask is, can a family member challenge a written will? Of course you can challenge. How do you go about challenging it? Or what are the reasons that can make someone challenge a will? Number one, you can challenge a will by stating that this will does not distribute the property to the family members. Number two, you can challenge a will where you feel that the person who wrote the will was not of sound mind. And number three, you can challenge a will where you feel that the will was written under duress. So, now that we have dealt with how you can challenge a will, we will come back in the next video and we are going to discuss interstate succession, where the person who died never left a will. So it is proper that you have understood what a will is. If you have any other questions, you will find my contacts and my email on the bio, or you can make a comment on the comment section where I can be able to guide you where you have questions on writing a valid will. So until the next one, God bless you, and also subscribe. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.